Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today, we hit 10,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it. You all guys have been so good to me. You've been commenting, liking, sharing the videos, spreading the word of telekinesis. And I want to say thank you. Thank you for that. My goal is for as many as possible people to learn telekinesis, and you make it happen. I'm just a medium, but you guys, you've been pushing this channel forward, and I get emails every day of people learning telekinesis. You can go down to the comments and read the success stories of people learning the ability of telekinesis, and I'm so grateful for that. You must understand, I want you to learn telekinesis out of almost selfish reasons. Because I know how to do telekinesis, I have to wear this mask, stay hidden, until enough people learn telekinesis. And by enough people, I mean lots of people. So we're still a long way till then. I'm talking about at least 50% of population on this planet has to learn telekinesis. This is my goal. 51% of population. Until then, I'm gonna keep making those YouTube videos. And you are keep watching them and keep sharing them and keep practicing telekinesis until everybody knows there's nothing to be afraid of. Telekinesis is a beautiful thing. It has improved my life, and it has improved many of your guys' lives. Telekinesis is beautiful, and thank you for being on this journey with me. You are not alone. We're a big community of telekinesis practitioners. I'm so proud of being your guru. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for 10,000 subscribers. I'm sure soon it's gonna be 100,000, 1,000,000, 10 million. We're growing. We are growing together. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.